Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to insert batteries on an Xbox wireless controller. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have an Xbox wireless controller, and I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to insert the batteries on something like this. Now, there are actually batteries already in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pop them out, and then I'll show you the process for inserting them, okay? So just give me a moment. I have the batteries out. I'm going to replace the battery cover, and that is the first hint at inserting the batteries, is you got to figure out where the battery cover is. So if you look, here's the front of the controller. Here's what I consider to be the back of the controller, and you can see there's a battery cover right there. And to remove the battery cover, you're just going to slide it off, just like this. I'm sliding it away and off of the controller. There's the battery compartment. And on the contacts over here, you can see it actually shows the indication of what the orientation the battery should be in. So what way the battery should be placed in there. So I'm going to take the batteries, and we have two batteries over here. These batteries actually came in the controller box, but I don't know, yours might come with batteries, it might not, but obviously use the right size batteries. And basically you want to take the batteries and you want to insert them in the correct orientation. So I'm going to place this one like this. Okay, it goes like that, and then this one over here goes the other way in the correct orientation. Now that I know that they're oriented correctly and they're placed in there properly, I'm going to take the battery cover and I'm going to just reinsert the battery cover. And now that I've reinserted the battery cover, the controller should work. And as I actually have to hold that down for a couple seconds, and it should work. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of hard to see, but it is flashing. So as you can see, the batteries have been inserted properly because the controller is working. So as you can see over there, really easy to do. I basically showed you and told you exactly how to insert the batteries on this controller. Very simple process. I just powered it down. Very simple process. I just wanted to show you exactly how you can do it so that you can, do this with your own Xbox wireless controller and get it to work wirelessly as well, using the batteries. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.